Lesson 48, analyzing measures of central tendency. What is central tendency? What does this mean? Well, it's simply the center of a data set or a set of data. Well, what is data? Data is information. It could be numbers, and that's what we'll deal with, assembled or organized for analysis or decision making. There are three measures of central tendency for numbers, and these are mean, median, and mode. Well, what are these numbers? What do these numbers represent? Well, a mean is simply an average. An average, how do we get an average? Well, we just simply add the numbers together and divide by the number of numbers that we added together. So here's a group of numbers, 35, 36, so forth there. We could just simply add all those together. I think there are 9 numbers there. Let me get a calculator out here. And we'll add them together. And we'll do 35 plus 36 plus 33 plus 38 plus 36 plus 34 plus 35 plus 35 again plus 33. And that should be equal to 615. Okay, somehow, let's see if I got 9 here. 1. Oh, I've got a 3, 3, 3 right there. I've got too many 3s there. That's not right. So we need to, let's see if we can do this again real clear. Let's just do this again. We'll do this again. Let's get tools, calculator, and we'll clear that. And we'll do it again. 35 plus, always look at the calculator to be sure you push the right buttons before you press enter. Learn a lesson from that. Whoop, there's it go again. There it goes again. Let's clear that entry. 33, 52, 33. Plus. Yeah, that's what I was doing. I'm hitting it too fast. 38 plus. Let's see, we're 36 plus 34 plus 35 plus 35 plus 33, enter. Well, I got that 33 again. Let's see if we can get that off of there somehow. Let's just do minus 333, and then we'll add 33 to that. 33, and that should give us 315. Okay, so we'll get 315. 315, and I think we had 9 numbers. We divide that by 9, and I believe if we do that, we'll get 35. So the mean, or the average, is 35. Sometimes this is illustrated or indicated by an X with a line over it. It's called X bar, and we would say X bar is equal to 35, which X bar is representative of the mean. Okay, what is the median? The median is a number that occurs in the middle of the numbers, so the set of data. So what we would need to do is we would need to organize these numbers according to in ascending order. So let's see if we can do that quickly. Let's see, there's a 33, 33. There's another 33. There's a 34. 34, 35. Another 35. Another 35. And 36. Another 36. And 38. Well, which one occurs in the middle? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just kind of put a mark there. And we'll count back this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35 occurs in the middle of the data, so our median here is 35. Now, what if we had an even number of pieces of data? Here's an example here. Took some of those numbers out. Okay, so let's rearrange these in ascending order. So we'd have 33. Take care of that one. Another 33. A 34. A 35, 36, and a 38. Okay, now which one occurs in the middle here? Well, there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, there's no number right in the middle. So how do we determine the median? Well, the way we do it here, if there's an even number of pieces of data or numbers, then we simply add these two together and divide by 2. So 34 plus 35 would be, I believe, 69. And when we divide that by 2, we would get 34.5. So our median here would be 34.5. It turns out that it's not one of the numbers, but that's okay if you have an even number of pieces of data. Okay, now what is the mode? The mode is the number or the piece of data that occurs most often. And here again, it's probably best to arrange these in increasing order. So let's do it again. 33, 33, 34, 35, another 35, another 35. Here, that one. Got 3 35s. 1, 2, 3. 36. Here that. Another 36. And a 38. Okay, which one occurs most often? Well, we have 2 33s. There's 2 33s. We have 3 35s. And we have 2 36s. We have 1 38 and 1 34. Which number occurs most often? 35 occurs most often, so our mode would, in this case, be 35. Here will be our homework that we'll work on tomorrow. In addition to that, I'd like for you to work problems number 11 and 12 and send them to me via email tonight.